Welcome to RoboKid Lab. Today we will see how microcontroller based soil moisture sensor can automatically water plants and save water. Here is our setup. The soil moisture sensor, relay module, water pump and microcontroller. The pump is placed in a water container ready to irrigate the soil when needed. Currently the sensor is in wet soil, so the pump is off. Now let's move the sensor to dry soil. When the sensor detects dry soil, the water pump automatically turns on and start irrigating the plants. Once the soil absorbs water and becomes wet again, the pump stops. This project is useful in real life for automatic irrigation systems, helping save water and keeping plants healthy. Stay safe, keep learning, and subscribe to RoboKid Lab for more exciting microcontroller projects. Thank you very much.